We are in Rainforest Lumina. Look, the lights are awesome. And my son is enjoying it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a video to show you our trip in July to Singapore Zoo. No, not watching animals, but to experience the light show called the Rainforest Lumina. It's a multimedia light show regarding 8 animals exploring the forest. So if you guys have kids, you should bring them around. And my son love it a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys now. Let's go. It resembles fireflies. See? Looks like it resembles fireflies. The louder you clap, the sounds there you can see. It projects. Yeah, it projects the sloth.
You see the sloth?
Yeah.
See the orang wave at you.
Yeah, orang-utan wave. Just in case if you guys hear me panting, it's because I'm carrying him.